What a day it was today. It was a hot one. I can only be outside for a little bit, then I have to go in the house and cool down. Come back outside for a little bit, then go back in the house for a cool down. It was just a real muggy, wet, heavy day. The grass was wet all day until about an hour ago, and right now it's 8 o'clock at night. But let's check out what we got done, though. I like it. Little Miss Hachi is there. We extended out her kennel. It was right, the wall was right there. You can kind of see that dead grass line. So we got that out to here. Little Miss Gimpy, I know. We got to take a look at that paw and got that all cleaned up. And then we spent a good chunk of time on that bad boy today. And you may be asking yourself, why would you spend so much time on that? So what? So what? You homeowners, you know. And those homeowners who don't know, now you should know. Get outside and get looking at your air conditioner and make sure she's clean. I have a cottonwood in the property here somewhere. It's hiding, but every time around this time of the year, lets loose all its nice little fuzzy seeds that clog up my air conditioner, which then the air conditioner doesn't work right. So always go out to your air conditioner. Always make sure it's nice and clean. I use an air compressor with a little bit of rubber tip and an upward angle, so you're not wrecking the fins, but you're cleaning them out. So there you go, guys. Get out there and get that cleaned up. Rock on!